two leading CRM tools. One major showdown: which one actually powers your sales team better? On one side, we have the streamlined, user-friendly Pipedrive, and on the other, the versatile, collaborative Nutshell. We're putting each platform through real business scenarios: ease of use, features, integrations, pricing, and support. Let's skip the corporate jargon and marketing hype and focus on what really helps you close deals. Each area scores points, and by the end you'll know precisely which CRM deserves your vote. The winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so quick roadmap: here's how we're breaking this down. We're gonna cover price, features, ease of use, reporting and analytics, integrations, collaboration, and finally, support. Each one gets its own spotlight. Sound good? Let's jump into the first category. So let's talk about price. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Nutshell actually pulls ahead here, not just with a lower starting price but also because you get every feature on every plan. No need to upsell yourself or stress about contracts. Sweet. Now Pipedrive, it keeps things simple and it's competitive, and this is a big but, get ready to pay up for some bonus features, especially when you want more automation. Bottom line, Nutshell takes the win if you're watching your budget, but watch out as the cost can still creep up if you're adding lots of users or power features. On to features, this one's super tight. Pipedrive's pipeline management is honestly buttery smooth. Tons of automation, easy integrations. It's kind of the king of the visual sales board vibe. But wait, Nutshell has a bit of a curveball. Sales and marketing automation plus some built-in email sequence magic. Reporting's pretty deep too. Pipedrive has a slight leg up on third-party integrations, but overall, these two are so close it's basically a tie. If you need lots of marketing tools, you might lean Nutshell. Want more pure sales power? Maybe Pipedrive's your jam. Ease of use: now this is where Pipedrive really struts its stuff. You know, when an app just clicks and makes you feel like a productivity wizard, that's the Pipedrive experience. You drag, you drop, you smile. It's super visual, and honestly, most people pick it up in like no time. Nutshell's setup is hands-on, guided, and friendly, but let's be honest, it's just not quite as instantly satisfying. And if you want to go nuts with customizing Pipedrive, there are some limits, but for most folks, it's just smooth sailing. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first CRM system from way back in the 1980s had to be installed with over 40 floppy disks? Yeah, kinda wild thinking about CRM then versus now, where you're just like plugging in apps and collaborating in real time. Okay, let's analyze reporting and analytics. If you're a data nerd, no shame, I am too. Nutshell gives you unlimited custom reports and dashboards even on the basic plan. No extra fees, no asterisks. Pipedrive's got some solid stuff here with forecasting and customizable sales reports, but those next-level analytics? Gonna cost you extra. So if you love making charts and obsess over dashboards, Nutshell quietly sneaks past for the win here. Integrations, everyone's favorite headache or lifesaver. Pipedrive is almost like the iPhone of integrations. There's an app for everything. Gmail, Slack, Zapier, all those. Some require a higher tier plan, but the menu is deep. Nutshell, meanwhile, totally does the basics: Google Apps, MailChimp, Zapier, but doesn't explore as far and wide. It's solid, but for the plug-and-play crowd, Pipedrive definitely feels broader and a bit more future-proof. So yeah, Pipedrive's got the edge. Let's talk collaboration, which honestly feels more important than ever, right? Nutshell brings its A-game here. Shared timelines so everyone's in the loop, team dashboards, handoff tools that just work. It genuinely tries to make selling feel like a group sport. Pipedrive has notes and comments, but not a ton more for teams. If you want your team to really vibe together, Nutshell's your pick even if it's not ultra granular on permissions. Alright, and support. Both are pretty strong. Pipedrive gives you 24/7 chat and email, so you can panic about your pipeline at 2 am if you need to. Phone support though, that's reserved for those top-tier plans. On the other side, Nutshell offers support from real humans in the US, and if you're new to CRM, you get setup specialists and a ton of how-to guides. Live chat isn't all night, but you're never far from help. It honestly ends up as a tie here. Both have your back, just in different ways. Let's quickly check out where these two shine on the radar. Nutshell jumps out in price, reporting, and collaboration, while Pipedrive flexes hard on ease of use and integrations. Features and support really close. So here's my take. If you're a high-velocity sales machine who wants an awesome, drag-and-drop visual pipeline and endless integration options, Pipedrive's probably your best friend. But if your team's all about collaborating and you want everything, seriously, everything right in one place for a predictable price, Nutshell is just really, really tempting. Pick what matters most to you, but if I'm calling the winner, Nutshell edges out thanks to that all-in-one vibe and collaborative firepower. If you found this CRM comparison helpful, give us a follow for more insights and tool breakdowns. Seriously, don't miss out.